These birds are good. Look, get the fuck out of here. Bird. Oh, great. It's in there. We got a bird in the house. Fuck me. This is not what you want to deal with. These birds are a pain in the ass. This is nuts. The bird is in the house. I need a flashlight. Letting all my cool air out. Oh, I was in the bathroom. Come out of there. Okay. Hey, this way. This way. That way. That way. This way. Over here. Over here. Over here. This way. Over here. This way. This way. This way. Come on. Not up there. You're not supposed to be in here. Go out there. Jeez Louise. This is a pain in the butt. Bird, look, there's the door. Where'd it go now? Right over there. No, 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 not over there. God damn. Come on, this way. This way. No, come on. There, go that way. I go that way. The door is right there. Are you literally that fucking not bright? Whoa, here, land on the flashlight. Get out of there. Come on, bro. Here, land on the flashlight. Here. Whoa. This is a pain in the butt. This bird is gone everywhere but back out the damn door. Go out the door, dude. I mean, seriously, the door is right there. You literally have to, like, fly. You go. Oh, my goodness. Oh, shit. Make a mess of things. What is that? Bird shit on the wall? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, my God. This is just fucking something else. The bird shit on the fucking wall. Come on, bird, get the fuck out of here. Bird. Bird. Come on. Go. You are so dumb. I got 3 damn windows and doors open now. There you go, finally. It fucking just made a mess on the wall. God damn. Fucking birds. God, they were out there just screaming their heads off. I open the door and one flies in. The fuck? Jeez.